Amendments to the United States Constitution. The Bill of Rights are the collective name for the first 10 amendments of the United States, and was demanded by those who were afraid the government had too much power, and was also used by the Federalists to make it a more promising document. The First Amendment says Congress will make no law that infringes on our 5 basic freedoms, which are freedom of speech, religion, of press, assembly, and petition. The 14th granted citizenship to all naturalized people in the United States, and also forbids states from denying any person life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The second guarantees citizens of the United States a right to bear arms. The third says no soldier in time of peace should be quartered in your home without consent. The fourth is no unreasonable searches and seizures, and police must obtain a search warrant before searching your house and have probable cause. Fifth, Sixth, and Eighth Amendments protect the rights of people accused of crimes, allows you to have a fair trial, and you're entitled to a lawyer and witnesses. The 7th, 9th, 10th, and 13th give more rights and protections to the people. The 19th Amendment states that citizens have other rights beyond those in the Constitution. The 15th, 17th, 19th, 23rd, 24th, 26th, these amendments give more people the right to vote. They gave more power to the people during elections, more equal rights for everyone, and less scrutiny against races and genders. The 11th, 12th, 16th, 18th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 25th, 27th Amendments change a function of government. For example, the 12th Amendment changes the way we elect a president and vice president. The 20th Amendment changes the date the president is sworn in. Protecting the rights of the accused. The Fifth Amendment allows for due process of law, fair indictments, double jeopardy, self-incrimination, and eminent domain. All of these are general protections against the government when accused of a crime. The Sixth Amendment requires accused people to be told charges against them and guarantees a trial by jury, unless the accused chooses otherwise. Trials must be speedy and public with impartial jurors. This also states their entitlement to a lawyer and right to hear and question witnesses for and against them. The Eighth Amendment forbids excessive bail and fines, as well as cruel and unusual punishment. They are allowed to stay in jail or pay bail as a security deposit. Bail is returned to the accused as long as they show up for the court. Rights expanded. The court case of Gideon v. Wainwright challenges the protections under the Sixth Amendment. Gideon is the accused and not provided an attorney. The case is repealed all the way to the Supreme Court, where it is decided that all accused must be provided counsel if you cannot afford one on your own. Rights limited. In the SCOTUS case, Gregg v. Georgia, Gregg is arrested for murder, armed robbery. He is sentenced to the death penalty. Gregg tries to appeal the ruling by saying the death penalty violates the Eighth Amendment, dealing with cruel and unusual punishment. The court decides that the death penalty is constitutional, therefore limiting the rights under the Eighth Amendment.